In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check attendees in on Eventbrite. We'll be focusing on using the Eventbrite website for manual check-ins. This method is straightforward and ensures that you have a complete record of all event participants. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to your event dashboard. To do this, log in to Eventbrite using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to open your specific event. This step is crucial because it ensures you're working with the right event data and attendees. After accessing your event, the next step is to open the attendees list. To find this, look for the option labeled Manage Attendees. Under this menu, you'll see Attendee List. Click on it to view all the registered attendees for your event. This list is your main hub for managing who has arrived and who hasn't. With the attendees list open, you're ready to mark attendees as checked in. Find the name of the attendee in the list. Once you've located them, update their status to checked in. This is important because it keeps your records accurate and up to date. Accurate records help you track attendance and manage event capacity effectively. Now, let's move on to adding attendees manually. This is especially useful for walk-ins or VIPs who didn't register online. From the same Manage Attendees menu, click on Add Attendees. You'll need to enter their details, such as name and email. This ensures everyone is accounted for, whether they registered in advance or not. After entering their details, you have two options. You can either mark them as attended or issue a ticket. Marking them as attended solidifies their participation in your records. Alternatively, issuing a ticket provides them with a formal entry pass for your event. This step is about flexibility and accommodating all types of attendees. Once that is done, your event records are now comprehensive and precise. This thorough process provides you with a clear overview of your event's success. Remember, keeping accurate attendee records not only aids in current event management, but also helps plan for future events. Finally, don't forget to save your changes after marking attendees or adding new ones. You will see a confirmation appear once everything is saved. This makes sure your updates are securely stored and reflected in your event data. With these steps, you can efficiently manage attendance on the Eventbrite website. By following this method, you ensure a smooth check-in process and a well-organized event experience for everyone involved. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on using Eventbrite and enhancing your event management skills.